Welcome guys to TechLine channel. So guys, today we are unboxing the Realme Buds Wireless. This was the wireless earphones that launched by Realme, and I purchased this earbuds, or I say wireless earphones, from Flipkart. As you can see on the back of the box, as you can see there is some highlighting features that Realme give, that magnetic control, 11.2 mm bass boost driver, 12 over payback, playback and flexible neckband, and its latest Bluetooth 5.0 version, and its splash proof IPX4, as you can see. And in the box, as you can see, the price is 1999, but guys, this is not a exact price, because I purchased this from Flipkart from the around the pricing of 1799, and there are three colors. One is a yellow, and another is orange color, and one is green color, but I purchased the yellow color because I like the yellow color. And on the left side, as you can see, and right side, as you can see, the branding of Realme. So guys, let's open this. As you can see, now we are opening the Realme. Guys, as you can see, we are opening this, and it's little difficult to open this up. Wait a minute. Now guys, as you can see, it's difficult to open. And guys, now you can see this opens up, and as you can see guys, these are the earphones that launched by Realme, and there is a one more shell around here, as you can see. And I think in this box the Realme gave us for charging cable. Let me open this up. As you can see guys, there is a charging cable, and this charging cable was also yellow painted, that I like it. And this was a USB cable, not guys type C, USB. And there is one more thing on the box. That's the Realme Buds Wireless. There is some, I think, manual card, and there are some extra ear tips that are given by Realme, and this cable, and there's nothing. It's nothing. So guys, as you can see, these are the wireless buds, and these were magnetic wireless buds, as you can see. And this very good quality and premium earphones by Realme. Let me set up and show you. You can see the magnetic, as you can see. So guys, after opening this, as you can see, there was earbuds that I opened from the box, and there is a one cable for, there is one switches for volume. There is a volume up, volume down, and I don't know about the center switch. And here, what is this? Here I think there is a Realme branding, and nothing. And for charging, you can charge here, and this earphone supports the fast charging. Realme claims that if you charge 10 minutes, then the earphones give I think maybe 2 hours battery backup, but I don't know. I'll write in the description what's the real matter. So let's connect from the smartphone. So guys, as you can see, this is the Realme wireless earphones. For the pairing of wireless earphones, we have to go to a smartphone, and we have to on the Bluetooth, because it was a Bluetooth wireless earphones, and we have to switch on the Bluetooth, and we have to unpair, and we have to unleash these two earbuds. And as you can see, there is an option of Realme wireless buds that comes in your device, and you have to click this option, and it automatically connected. It's automatically connected. As you can see, there is some written things are coming. There's a Realme Buds Wireless in use calling and playing media, and battery level 80%. As you can see now, guys, now this Realme Buds are connected with my Realme 3i smartphone, And then now I have ready to use this earphones. And guys, thank you to watching this video. And guys, if you like this video, then subscribe my channel, Tech Flying Fly with Technology, and let's start some music to check the voice quality of these earphones, because these earphones give very good bass, as you can see. So guys, let's start something on YouTube. And so as you can see, I frequently start some of my videos. As you can see that I start on my earlier days. As you can see, the voice was not coming. The voice was coming from these earphones, and the voice quality is very good. If you have to disconnect these earphones, then you have to stop like this. If you do like this, then the video automatically close. I show you one again, and it also disconnect by smartphone. As you can see, now it is connected from smartphone. As you can see, the Realme wireless buds, and now I start the video, as you can see. And guys, after that it is paused and it is disconnected. Guys, thank you for watching this channel. If you like this video, then don't subscribe the channel Tech Flying, and like this video, share this video with your friends and family. And guys, please support. Your support is very important for me. Thank you guys.